How to turn off dark mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can turn off dark mode on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you will land in your home page. After that, navigate to the bottom right corner and then tap on profile icon. Again, you will get to your profile page. From here, navigate to top right and tap on the three-line icon. Then you will be taken into settings and activity page. Here, scroll down and search for an option that is accessibility. So, under your application and media section, there is accessibility. Tap on it. And here is the dark mode option. Simply tap on it and then you have to select off. And with that, you have turned off dark mode on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.